Welcome to this Photoshop tutorial, where I will show you how to create stunning liners from your pictures in just a few simple steps. This process consists of 3 easy steps that will help you achieve that design line art look. Step 1 is using the oil paint filter. This effect adds painterly touch to your image, that enhancing the lines and textures. Apply the oil paint filter and adjust the settings to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the oil paint effect, it's time for step 2, the poster edges effect. This effect helps emphasize the edges and creates a more defined outline for your line art.
This effect adds depth and contrast to your image by enhancing the overall line art effect. For the gradient map, make sure to use only black and white colors. Slide the white color to the left and the black color toggle slightly to the right until the lines become clearly visible. Once you're satisfied with the gradient map, it's time for step 4, the solid color. Open layer panel and apply solid color as background, and apply solid color on top of subject layer. Now change blend mode to hard light as shown. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can create this awesome line arts using this effect.
Please like, subscribe, and hit on bell icon for more interesting videos.